It's been about a week since we put this worm farm in here, and just to see kind of how things are going, we've seen a little bit of stuff blow in over here. We had a big storm, but we didn't expect to have anything over there. But this is all the stuff that the guinea pigs have dropped. I mean, there's lots and lots and lots and lots of droppings there, which is great. We're capturing all that, and their food that they don't eat, this is alfalfa, and they tend to strip the leaves off of it, but then they drop the stalks a lot of times. They'll drop through the cage. So they will eat them if they're in the cage, but a lot of times they drop through. And we have so much alfalfa anyway, we get a bundle that's about twice this size for $1. So I mean, it's just more than they'll eat, so we don't mind that they're dropping a lot of it through the cage. So I've moved the cage over here to get it out of the way, and wanted to see kind of how we're doing with worms here. Now this was all just worm casings and eggs. So this was the stuff after the trommel, and there's a few worms in it, but not too many. So I wouldn't expect to see a whole lot going on, but just wanted to turn it just a little bit and kind of see what like the moisture content is. And I dropped a couple of these egg cartons that they've chewed up in the thing. There's a wire. Let me get those wires out of here. They need to come out anyway, and we'll use those on another project. So they'll move there. I was just wanting to see what kind of life we've got in here, and are we getting any worms to happen, or what's going on. So see one fly. The moisture content looks pretty good. That's coming from the content that we had before plus urine, so that's staying okay. We're just really doing an experiment here to see if this is going to be a good place to do worms, and I think I'm going to need to put some worms in here. I'm not seeing, who knows when the eggs would hatch. So, but the moisture content looks pretty good, and so far so good. Like I say, we might find a worm in here. I'd love to see some of the eggs hatching, but what I really wanted to do was just kind of turn this, and was hoping for a little bit more activity in here. Not a heck of a lot going on. Let's see what the moisture content is down here in this far end. Still looking real good and moist, fairly uniform. It'd be nice to have a little bit more moisture, but I think the worms would be fine with this. Sure would like to see some babies in here. And it's right here on the end. Go all the way to the bottom there. Okay, that's a little dry looking, but then that's not terribly unexpected because it's right there at the end. It's usually going to be drier on the end anyway. And oh, there's a worm. Hey, there's a baby. So a couple of babies there. So it looks like that's some good sign, and we're just gonna keep note on there. It looks like this is a pretty good process. I can't see why it wouldn't be, except that there's so much food and not enough worms, and that's our problem here in this whole project. All these projects, we've got tons of food and not very many worms. Cover this cardboard here, put it on that end. Let's take one out of the middle and see kind of what we got. Yeah, pretty much all the same everywhere. I was real glad to see that one worm, but I think I'm going to put some parents in here just so we know that we've got worms. and continue with this project, see kind of how it goes, because I've put in just the stuff that was intentionally put in no adults directly, because I thought we'd see more babies, and we let these just raise. But I think I'm going to have to put in a lot more adults because there's just too much food in here that isn't being addressed. Here's another wire. So we'll keep progress. I'll keep you informed of kind of how this is going. But I think if you've got any animals like this, rabbits would be good. The guinea pigs are good. And you capture this above your worm farm. This is what I did years ago unintentionally. I had just a pile of the rabbit droppings. I had several rabbits, and we put like a box underneath it to capture the droppings. And we were using the droppings in our garden. Didn't really pay attention to the amount of worms, but I'm pretty sure we must have had a lot, because there weren't a lot of droppings. It was all like, you know, decomposed stuff, and it was great for the garden. So this is kind of good stuff. It's a good project for you if you've got that. And I've put a bucket under here, and this is one of the things I was looking for. I know this is an old paint bucket, and I'll use a cleaner bucket once I start getting any moisture, but I was hoping to get a little worm juice if we get anything, or seeing if there was enough urine that was coming through that we would get any juice. But it looks like this amount of dirt is staying just moist but not really damp from the amount of urine. So pretty good mix so far. I'm going to be putting some more worm droppings. We've got another bag of stuff that I got to filter, so I'm going to be putting that in today probably. And I think I'm going to go ahead and throw all the worms in there too, and just let's start it in that respect, and see if they'll eat up some of this, because we do have an awful lot of stuff. Anyway, that's progress for today. Thanks for watching.